love being healthy. I love eating healthy. I love working out. I just love it overall. And I love having healthy skin, healthy hair, healthy joints, especially as I'm aging. So I add this collagen powder every single day to one of my drinks. Most of the time it's in the morning, and my coffee. And I just literally take a scoop of it, plop it down on my coffee, and I use a spoon. You can use any type of blender, mixer. If you want to froth it, you can do that. But it is a simple way to just start incorporating a supplement that is going to make you feel younger, healthier, stronger, and that is extremely important as we get older to have a better quality of life. So this is extremely important to me.